Hello, this is Donna from DC Education, all things elementary education. Today's short video is from the Let's Read Step-by-Step Lessons for Success program. This is Activity 4. Special words and sounds. Here the learner will read the short vowel sound, the long vowel sound, and the learning coach will work with the learner through the slides to ensure accuracy. Apple. Ape. Egg. He. Win. Bike. Octopus. Hope. Notice how the long vowel sound says the name of the letter. The learning coach will continue to review with the learner. Add in different words. Add in words that have that beginning long vowel sound. Now let's read the special words and note the long vowel sounds they make. Learning coach, ensure accuracy and mastery. Me, long E. My, long I sound. He, long E. She, long E. They, long A sound. Now we will continue to read more special words. Let's note the sounds they make. Learning coach, ensure accuracy and mastery. Keep going through the slides, mixing them up. Was makes the consonant Z sound, Z. Does, is, his. Of makes the consonant V sound, V. Let's all remember the sounds X, like box, cat, get, yellow. Let's look at a new sound. Ooh, like do. To. Boo. Learning coach, review this sound with your learner. Review the slide as well and explain the meaning of the slashes so that when they see this format, they will understand the sound of. As always, for added practice, you can print to create flashcards or simply mix them up on the slideshow. Review long vowel sounds. Review these special words and sounds. Review the oo sound, like do, to, boo. Try writing sentences using these special words. Sort words by long sounds for A, E, I. Maybe make a list of words that make the oo sound or the Z sound. I hope you find this video helpful. I hope you'll consider to watch further videos from the program. Let's Read Step-by-Step Lessons for Success or any other videos pertaining to all things elementary education. Thanks for watching. Happy learning. Bye.